Hello students, in last video we have studied about the reaction of metal and non-metal with oxygen along with the example I have given to you. Okay, now today we have to discuss about the reaction with water. But before this, I would like to ask that all of you have written some more examples or not about the reaction with oxygen. If you have written, then it's good, and if you have not written, then write it by your own, and if you are facing any problem, you can ask to me. Okay, now today we are going to start reaction with water. So first of all, we will discuss about metals. As always we are doing metals. So when any metal is reacted with water, it will form metal hydroxide and hydrogen gas. So equation I am writing here, you just have to understand that metal plus water will make metal hydroxide. Metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Plus hydrogen gas. Okay, so all of you know the full formula of water is H2O. Metal, here it will be any of the metal. Metal hydroxide, here it will be something metal, and formula for hydroxide is OH. This is for hydroxide. Then for hydrogen gas it is H or H2, anything will be there. So now we are going through an example for the reaction with water in metal. Simple thing, we take sodium plus water will make, what it will make? Sodium hydroxide. Sodium hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. Okay, we have written the equation, but that is only in language form. Now we have to go through the chemical equation. So symbol for sodium is Na. Symbol for sodium is Na, and water I have already written, metal hydroxide already written. So we will go through the symbolic representation. So here we can write Na plus H2O will make, what it will make? Sodium hydroxide. Now symbol for sodium is Na, for hydroxide it is OH. Okay, plus, now what is remaining? Hydrogen. Formula for hydrogen is H, and if it is a gas, then we will make a arrow like that, because gas will just blow upside. So what we have found? We have found that when a metal reacted with water, it will form metal hydroxide and hydrogen. When any metal is reacting with water, then we are getting metal reacted with water, and we got metal hydroxide plus hydrogen gas. This was a simple thing in that. Now if we talk about non-metal, now you will be thinking it will be as earlier as in reaction with oxygen. No, it's very simple for non-metal, that non-metals does not react with water. So what we have found, that there is a simple difference. The metals will react with water and it will form metal hydroxide plus hydrogen, but in case of non-metals, non-metal will not react with water. Okay, so there will be no reaction, no equation, and nothing. So I think this topic, reaction is with water, is understood to you. Okay class? So next reaction we will do in our next video. Thank you class.